So generally, whenever I start any type of a project, my main focus is getting something that inspires me. What's going to inspire me? Same way you get dressed in the morning. When you go in there, what do? You look around and you go, I think I like that shirt right there. I'm going to put that on. And from that shirt, now I'm going to figure out what pants that I can put on, or maybe not, that match kind of that shirt, right? Match or don't match, however you like to do it. But whatever is going to look good in this outfit. It's the same in putting together a room. You generally start with one selection and you build around that. But so many people get caught up in the idea that there's just this magic color somewhere that's going to fix all their ailments, you know? It's really not. It's coming from inspiration of something, a textile, a art, a rug. I put this here, first of all, brings out pinks, right? So if I started there with that little piece of art, I could say, there's a lot of colors in there. I like that. That's going to inspire me to build a room of some sort. Do I want it to be vivid in color like that, or more sedate? What do I want to draw out of that? Well, maybe I paired up with some great pink chairs. Maybe I put in it gray walls, whatever. But just taking that little cue helps me build a whole color story around that. Follow me? Piece of bedding, anything. Something that has more than one color. Sometimes people tell me, well, my room is, my colors are black, white, and gray. That's very little color. That's actually only one color I can think of, and that's gray. But that's not a color scheme, in essence, to really pull something out of. You follow me? But if I found a piece of art that might have had a couple shades of gray, a couple shades of black, warm black, cool black, something, a couple of whites, then I can build a story around even something as blank and bleak as black and white. That would be my favorite thing, actually. But that is kind of the premise of what I'm saying. So the takeaway is those things. If you start off with something using that piece of art.